Hey guys, Liz Gamers here, and in today's video I'll show you how to get iOS 13 Beta 1 on iPhone or iPad. Um, this is very easy to get it, but the only things you'll need is a Mac, Xcode 11 Beta, and the IPSW file for your iPad or iPhone. I'll leave the links in the description so that you can download them easily. So let's get started. To get started, you need to have Xcode open in the background, and I'll leave the links in the description as I told you earlier. And for your convenience, you can just drag both the files and put it on your desktop and open iTunes and connect your iPad using a lightning cable which comes with the iPad and not the third party to make the process easier. So I recommend you to actually back up your iPad or iPhone before doing this. In case you mess up, you can get your all your stuff back. But I'm sure I'm not going to mess up because I've already done on my iPhone and I'm doing this second time on my iPad. So you got to click options and click on update and then click on check for updates and browse the IPSW file. So I have it on my desktop, so I just selected that, and it takes a lot of time, easy 15 to 20 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the cable you are using. So this I'll put it on time lapse so that you don't need to wait. But remember guys, during the update, your device will keep restarting or rebooting every like 5 6 minutes, and it's gonna happen for like five to six times. Don't worry, it's just normal. And so basically, you need to have this screen. It keeps loading the progress bar with Apple logo. So it keeps sometimes it gets stuck, but don't worry, it's gonna move. So this process is gonna take 15 minutes. It took me around 20 minutes, so you have to wait. And after you are on this screen right here, when you go back to iTunes, that means it's updating and it's done. So now I'm on my iPad, as you guys can see. So let's see and go through the steps to get our iPad completed. So the first thing you have to do is basically you have to click on continue, and now it's asking for your Wi-Fi, and you have to connect to your Wi-Fi and click on next. It's gonna ask you for your Apple ID. I had a network error, so I have skipped it. You have to accept the terms and conditions, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes because it's still in the beta stages and not the complete version. So there are going to be a lot of bugs and sometimes glitches, and sometimes your device may also start restarting more frequently. So do this at your own risk because I'm not responsible for your device. So after you're done accepting terms and conditions, click on continue. And for app analytics, I went with don't share with Apple developers, and for the appearance, you can see you have light and dark. Dark means it's dark mode. So I went with dark mode, and it says welcome to iPad, and just click continue. And as you guys can see, I'm on my iPad with iOS 13. As you guys can see here, that I have dark mode and all the settings. You can see the software, it's 13.0. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll be uploading Mac OS X too. Thank you guys for watching.